in a great fashion. Second six of the over. Kundan on fire.
These are ominous signs for the opposition. Patna Pilots. That was strong, that was hit many a mile. Probably another ball change.
Thankfully not hit.
And Kundan wouldn't want that. He's really seeing this ball like a football right now. Wow. And you know, this is what is good for them. Now Kundan is performing. Babul is back in form. The first two matches were bad for him because he was dismissed for the duck. Just flirting outside the off stump. The first match he was dismissed for a duck. Second match got 16. It was yesterday that he got 40 odd runs, found form, and again today this is a proper captain's knock. 30 of 43. He knows he's got the aggressor in the form of, now you can say, Arnav Kishore and also Bipin Saurabh. Meanwhile, a tennis-like shot down the ground. The fielder does well over there. Oh, and at the end of the over, 16 gone. It's 135 for 4.